This one, ladies and gentlemen, is the Peep shot, okay? That's right, we got Peeps up in here. Corn syrup, and we gonna rim our glass in some corn syrup and some pink, yellow, and blue sugar. Okay, each glass gets a different color, all right? So we grab our shot glasses, stick it in the corn syrup, and then we stick it in the colored sugar, and you see where we going, okay? Beautiful. And you just carry on down the line. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, let's get our Peeps on. So that's blue marshmallow Peeps. Hit those bad boys with some vodka, okay? Cover that up. Let that sit for a few hours, and you get the nice blue, you get the pink, you get the yellow. You see what I'm saying? Okay? Strain it into a glass. So there's really a Peeps infused drink. Look, it's so cute, man. So this Easter, you should be extra happy with this new mix. Look at the colors on the, I love those colors. Okay? I'm just a color fanatic. Stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.